Okay, welcome to your speaking test today for Academy Stars 2 for Unit 9 and 10. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so since you are ready, please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Min1. I'm 9 years old.
Okay, and you are from Happy 2 class. Okay, so now we will begin your speaking test. Okay, so let's move on to the first part of your speaking test. So here you will identify what part of the house is this. For example, this is a bedroom. I can see lamp, window, bed, wardrobe. And then if you are finished, you can move to the next part. So are you ready, Bin One?
Yes.
So if you are ready, let's begin.
This is my bedroom.
I can.
I can see a lamp, window, bed, and
Wardrobe. Next.
it is a bathroom. I can see a bath, toilet,
Sink.
sink,
And
door,
shower.
shower.
Okay, next.
This is a kitchen. I can see a table, chairs, car, mm,
Fridge.
fridge.
Okay, next.
I can see a living room. I can see a sofa, armchair, table, lamp, and teddy bear.
All right, very good, Calvin, for the first part of your speaking test. So now let's move on to the second part. So here you will say, this is a lamp. I can see it. We can see it in the bedroom. This is a bathtub. We can see it in the bathroom. And then you can click it and move it. Okay?
Yes.
So are you ready, Bintu, for the second part of your speaking test?
Yeah.
Okay, if you are ready, let's begin. This is
This is
Oh.
a lamp.
we can
A bedroom.
we can see it
We can see it bedroom.
in the bedroom.
In the bedroom.
Again, next.
The bath.
This
This bath in the bathroom.
this is a bathtub. We can see it in the bathroom. Next. This is
a
this is a stove.
this is a stove. The stove is in the kitchen.
Click it. Next.
This is the bookcase. The bookcase is in the living room.
Okay, click it first. Next.
This is a TV. The TV is in the living room.
Click it first.
Oh.
Okay, next, the last.
The last.
This is
the last. The last.
What is that? A wardrobe. Wardrobe.
Wardrobe. The wardrobe is in the bedroom.
Okay, good job, Binwon. So let's move on to the third part of the speaking task. So here you will make a story using the four picture here. For example, for the first part, this is Anna and Rose. They went to a big park. And then you will make a story using the next picture. Okay, so are you ready, Binwan?
Yes.
Yes, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so if you're ready, let's begin.
They are Anna and Rose in the big park. Anna is photo
Anna took
Anna photo elephant.
of an elephant. Okay, next.
The girl
Okay, Rose.
is
Rose fed
the friend giraffe.
the
The
giraffe.
giraffe. They are Anna and girl at the home.
Went home
Went home
very
very much
happy.
happy.
Okay, so for the last part of your speaking test, Binwan, you need to answer some personal questions. So are you ready to answer?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so the first question is, what is your favorite room in your house? My
My favorite room is bedroom.
is your bedroom. Why do you like your bedroom?
Mm, is
Because
because it's sleeping.
because I can
I can sleeping
because I can sleep
sleep
again because
because
I
I sleep.
because I can sleep. Okay, next. Where do you usually do your homework, Binwan?
Mm,
I?
I
Where do you usually do your homework?
I homework.
I usually
I usually do
my
my homework
in
in the living room.
in the living room. So which one do you prefer, Binwan? Watching TV or reading books?
I reading book.
I
I like reading book.
Why do you like reading books?
Mm,
Because
because favorite.
because I can
Because I can read
my
my book.
Okay, can you tell me the different rooms in your house? What are the different rooms in your house? My house
My house
has
has living room, kitchen, bedroom, living room,
kit.
kitchen.
Okay. Next question, Binwan. Tell me the members of your family. How many people are there in your house? There are
There are 4 people in the house.
in the house. Okay, so where do you usually go out with your family? Do you go to the park? Do you go to the shopping center or zoo or a beach? Yes. I usually
I usually go out with
my
my family
in
in the playground.
in the playground. So what do you do in the playground?
My sister and I play football.
Okay, so which one do you prefer? Going to the zoo or to the playground?
Um, I go.
I prefer
I go for.
I prefer
I go for
going
going to the zoo.
going to the zoo. Why do you like going to the zoo?
Mm,
Because
because can see a elephant, zebra.
okay, so you can see lots of animals in the zoo. So what is your favorite lesson in Academy Stars 2? We talk about food, transportations, animals, parts of the house.
The sound.
Okay, so again, what is your favorite lesson in Academy Stars 2? My
My favorite lesson in academy start to
is about
eat a sprout
the
the house.
is about the house. Okay, so Binwan, keep on practicing so you can improve. Okay, so job well done. Congratulations for completing your speaking test. So before we end your speaking test, so let's say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay, bye bye.